a tropical paradise, Indonesia's natural beauty. Indonesia, a land of endless wonders. It's a land of adventure where every corner invites exploration. Volcanoes erupt from steamy jungles, creating a dramatic landscape. Ancient temples rise from the sea, standing as timeless sentinels. The wildlife is amazing and diverse. Orangutans swing through the trees, embodying the spirit of the wild. Komodo dragons stalk their prey with a primal intensity. This place is truly wild, a sanctuary for nature's raw beauty. But danger and beauty often live side by side, creating a thrilling experience. Indonesia has some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, perfect for relaxation. Imagine white sand and crystal clear water, a true paradise on earth. Coral reefs teem with colorful fish, offering a vibrant underwater spectacle. You can snorkel, dive, or just relax on the shore. It's paradise, a haven for all. I love to explore new places, and Indonesia never disappoints. Indonesia has so much to offer, from its diverse landscapes to its rich culture. From the heights of Mount Bromo to the depths of Kawah Ijen Lake, there's something for everyone, every adventurer. Get ready for an adventure because Indonesia is calling. Indonesia will blow your mind with its breathtaking beauty and endless adventures. Bali is a must-see destination, a paradise on earth that captivates every visitor. This island is known as the Island of Gods, a name that reflects its spiritual and cultural richness. It's easy to see why. Temples dot the landscape, each one a testament to the island's deep-rooted traditions. Offerings of flowers and incense fill the air, creating a fragrant and serene atmosphere. The Balinese people are incredibly welcoming, always ready to share their culture and traditions with visitors. The beaches in Bali are world-famous, known for their pristine sands and crystal-clear waters. Surfers come from all over to ride the waves, making it a top destination for water sports enthusiasts. You can also find secluded coves, perfect for those seeking a more private and tranquil experience. These hidden gems are perfect for swimming and sunbathing, away from the bustling crowds. Don't forget to try the local seafood. It's fresh and delicious, offering a true taste of Bali's culinary delights. One of the most iconic sites in Bali is Tanah Lot Temple, a must-visit for any traveler. This ancient temple sits on a rock formation in the ocean, creating a stunning and unique landscape. It's a truly magical place, especially at sunset, when the sky is painted with hues of orange and pink. Java is the heart of Indonesia. It's a land of volcanoes and ancient history. Mount Bromo is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. Hiking to the summit is a challenge, but the views are worth it. Imagine standing on the edge of a crater. The ground rumbles beneath your feet. Smoke and ash billow into the sky. It's an experience you'll never forget. Just be careful. Volcanoes are unpredictable. Another incredible sight is Kawah Ijen Lake. This crater lake is filled with turquoise water. At night, blue flames dance across the surface. It's a surreal and unforgettable sight. Indonesia isn't just about natural beauty, it's a country that offers a rich tapestry of experiences, blending the old with the new. It's also a land of ancient traditions that have been passed down through generations. Some of these traditions are beautiful, showcasing the artistry and cultural depth of the people. Others are a little bit bizarre, yet fascinating in their uniqueness. The Nene festival in Toraja is one such example that stands out. Every 3 years, the Torajan people dig up their deceased relatives. They clean their bodies with great care and respect. They dress them in new clothes, ensuring they look their best. And they even take them for a walk around the village. It might seem strange to outsiders, but for the Torajans, it's a deeply meaningful way of honoring their ancestors and keeping their memories alive. They believe that death is not the end, but a continuation of the journey. It's just a transition to another world, a belief that shapes their unique customs. The Nene festival is a reminder that Indonesia is a land of contrasts where the past and present coexist. It's a place where ancient traditions meet the modern world, creating a unique cultural landscape. So what are you waiting for? Come and immerse yourself in this extraordinary blend of beauty and the bizarre. Experience Indonesia for yourself and discover the wonders that await in this captivating land.